My name's Tamzin and I'm Infrastructure Maintenance Delivery Manager for London Bridge Delivery Unit. In my role, I lead a team of people, so I have a people organisation, and we're there to inspect and maintain the railway. So I started on the railway back in 2002. I took a role on the rail track graduate scheme as was, because I felt it was a real way of making a difference to the way that we operate transport in this country. When I look back at when I started, being a young female in the industry wasn't a thing for me personally. When I look back, I certainly think that it wasn't spoken about in the way that it is now, and actually the value that everybody in society brings to making our railway and making our company a better place is really important. So Balance for Better, I think, just offers an opportunity for us to all think about how do we go about creating opportunities for people, encouraging individuals to do things, to stretch them, to grow, but also not always recruiting in our own likeness, and ensuring that we do have that balance across what we do.